Darren Everett, master of machines. Join us at Phillip Island, Australia as we check out Daryl Hanson's wild GT350 Shelby and then jump aboard for some screaming V8 racing action. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more awesome content coming your way. We're with Daryl Hanson. He's a regular in the historic racing scene here in Australia, and he's got a new car. Daryl, tell us about this machine. It looks amazing.
Well, it started off in America 12 months ago as a road car. It's a Shelby 350H hire car, and we brought it out here as a beautiful car. We've never touched the body. The body is as it appears now. Tore it to pieces, and everybody said, well, what are you going to do with this car? You're tearing it to pieces. But it's made into a race car. And it is a beautiful piece of gear. We're very happy with it. First time out yesterday. After practice and a race yesterday and 2 races a day, I'm starting to love it. And it's starting to talk to me too, which is very important with cars. They all have a soul. You've got to get in there, you know.
Now the little 289, she's making some pretty serious horsepower, I hear.
Yeah, it's 600 horsepower and about 420 foot-pounds of torque. Runs to 8,500 and it gets there awfully quick.
This is a Vintage Racing Services build as well?
Yes, it is, yeah. Craig at Wagga Wagga in New South Wales turned the whole car into what you see it today.
He loves making horsepower. Now, a lot of people look at this and go, a Shelby? You're racing a genuine Shelby, but it has to be a genuine car to be eligible for this class, doesn't it?
Yes, it does. In Australia and in America, they have to be genuine Shelbys, and you've got to prove that. You know, you've got all the information.
So you're effectively running against Corvettes and all types of cars out there?
Yeah, the Corvettes have got a little bit over these, obviously because they've got fiberglass bodies and they've got big motors, where these little girls suffer a little bit in that area. But you know, who knows? Who knows?
It's still up there.
Hey, it's still early days with this car, you know, but I love it.
Thanks for watching, and we'd really appreciate it if you'd like and comment on this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notifications bell because there's a lot more content coming your way.